I requested him for some aloo bangan tasting. So they have salad, but they have pyaz, onion, which I don't have now. Hardly ever sometimes. But if somebody has other salad, like I order food from one of this other dhaba, Mehfil dhaba, they also give you cucumber and radish. मज़ा आ गया। बिल्कुल घर का खाना। इससे अच्छा पैक कराओ, लेके जाओ, थोड़ा ठंडा होगा, फिर प्लेट कटोरिया निकालो, फटाफट बैठ के खा लो। इट सेव्स यू हैसल एंड टाइम। प्लस द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यहाँ पे बैठ के एकदम गरम गरम खाने को मिलता है। गरम गरम फुल्का, तवे का उतरा हुआ गरम सब्जी, दाल, बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है घर पे खा लो। आलू बैंगन सब्जी was also very tasty. It's a mix yellow black dal. टिश्यू होगा या कागज? कागज होगा। कितने हो गए? कितने हो गए? So that's half dal, 30 bucks, full is 50. Half dal, 30 bucks, and I think 5 rupees chapati, and I have 4. So just 50 bucks. That's it. So warm, hot, fresh meal at a very, very reasonable rate. Clean and hygienic. ये लो। थैंक यू भाई। याद है ना जो बताया था कल बताया था, वो याद है? लिख लिया था? क्या था बताना? क्या था? चल बेटा। All right. So done with the dinner. Time to go back. So no tension, no worries. Done for the day. We just need to go back and take some rest and then maybe have a cup of tea with black cardamom moti elaichi. I prefer that over the green elaichi. Of course, I have ginger and other tea masala, but black cardamom moti elaichi is the best taste in the winter. So in case you haven't tried it, then you can try it. Yes, sir. वैसे कल दिखाया था, बट फिर से दिखा रहे हैं. ये वो जगह है शांति देवी फास्ट फूड. शिवम नाम है. शिवम है ना आपका नाम भैया? सागर. कल शिवम बताया था किसी ने. अच्छा वो जुड़वा भाई. ओ तभी तो कल इनके जुड़वे भाई थे. ये सागर हैं और कल शिवम थे. हेलो. और यहाँ पे ये सारी ऑप्शन है. बर्गर, फ्राइज. और आप क्या बना रहे हो? हाँ फिंगर बना रहा हूँ मैं. अच्छा. अरे वाह. ये फिंगर्स बन रही हैं पोटैटो. और ये मैरिनेड होकर पड़ी हुई यहाँ पे. फिर ये उसको यहाँ पे फ्राई करने के लिए डाल देते हैं. अमेजिंग. और वहाँ पे अंदर कुछ पड़ा है, वो चटनी है. घर की बनी हुई चटनी. अच्छा, घर की बनी चटनी. और वो पत्ता गोभी वो चाउमीन में डलती है. वो बर्गर के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है. बर्गर फिर से देख लेते हैं. एक बारी फिर से मोमोज दिखा दो. ये सबसे ऊपर कौन? वेज वाला. वेज वाला. और ये इसमें है भी चाउमीन. So the best part is it's good, neat and clean, tried and tested, and healthy, and very reasonable. Whatever you have, for the most of the things, it's $30 for the half plate and $60 for the full plate. And the momos are not tiny; they are medium size, a very good quantity. So if you have half of that along with a cup of soup, that's enough for one time meal. And in case you're having it for dinner, then you can also have a full plate with soup. That'll be if you're keeping your overall other diet. So now it's time to have a cup of tea. एक चाय दे. बनी है, बनानी होगी. चाय बनाने मसाला है. Amazing, tasty. बहुत टेस्टी चाय है. And then they have this. अभी ख़त्म हो गया मगर they have samosa kachori and that's amazing also. $10 a samosa, that's it, and it's pretty good. Uncle, auntie who run the shop, and then I think they also have son who helps. So it's a very good tea stall. So whenever I come here, I have a cup of tea over here. love the color of it, man. So orange. देख के खाने का मन करता है मगर फिर लगता है चीले कौन. Right now, I have enough food back up at home, but once that's finished, then I'll probably pick up some of this because I just saw it today. It can be a very good source of fiber. So try not to have the juice of it because it will go directly into your liver and quickly mix up in your bloodstream, so it will spike up your sugar level. But if you have it, like peel it off and have it raw through your mouth, then you also get the fiber part of it. And there's lots of. कैसे दिए? 60 है? 60 रुपए किलो है. अच्छा मिलेगा. कब तक चलेगा? हाँ? कब तक चलेगा?
मान लीजिए अभी लीजिएगा तो 4-5 दिन तो घर में रह ही जाएगा.
हाँ, एकदम टाइट बने दे दो.
टाइट है.
So I think just by looking at it, I felt like buying some. I couldn't stop, so I just get a little amount because I have other food. But I try to have it because that's a very good source of diet, the fiber and vitamin C, which is good for health.
₹100 कर दूँ सर? हाँ? 100 कर दूँ?
नहीं. ये क्या है? कीनू है, माल्टा है? कीनू है ना. So once this is finished, then I'll again buy fresh because I have to come almost every day. You can pick up a little amount of fresh quantity frequently. Same for the fruits and same for the salads. Connected है. So picked up this and finished up my tea. So time to go back. So that's about it. So I'll just complete my rest of the round and end the day walk. So thank you so much for joining and staying on the live stream, guys. And thank you so much for your love and support and your blessings. Please keep showering your love, support and blessings like that. Like, share and subscribe and forward my videos in case you find value in my videos. Then do like, subscribe and share it with whosoever likes it. So that's all from my side for today. See you again next week at the end of the 7th week. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Har Har.